In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 15.8.4 using Dopamine. So Dopamine is a semi-untethered jailbreak. This means that when you reboot your device, the jailbreak will be removed, but it can be re-enabled without the use of a computer. So for this tutorial, you are going to need AltServer, and you'll need TrollStore X, and you will need Dopamine. And then everything else will install itself. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you want to open your web browser, and you want to either click on the link in the video description, and then or you can enter in the stuff manually. I recommend that you enter it in manually, but I recommend that you click the link. I'm going to do it manually and go to AltStore.io. And then you want to click on Get AltStore on this web page. And then you want to go to AltStore Classic and then click on AltServer Windows if you're on Windows, or AltServer macOS if you're on macOS. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click AltServer Windows. And then you want to click on the downloaded file. Then you want to click on altinstaller.msi. Click Run. And by the way, you can close this now, and that too. And then you just want to install it like any other software. Everyone, next, and next. And then it's going to install AltServer. And it's done. So we can close that, and then we want to go to the Start menu, and we want to click on the newly installed AltServer, and run it as administrator. And then we want to click on this little up arrow icon here, and then we want to click on the AltServer icon. And then make sure you have your iDevice connected to your computer here, and once you have it connected, you want to go to Install AltStore. And then you want to select your iDevice. It's going to ask for your Apple ID and password, so just enter that in. And then install. And then it's going to install AltStore on the iDevice. Now it says yes, this may take a few seconds. Like if you look on the iPhone screen display, it's not there yet. It won't take more than 30 seconds. I've even never had it take that long. But it should appear any second now. And there it is. So we're not ready to open it quite yet. First, we need to go into Settings, and then General, and then VPN and Device Management. And then you want to click on this Developer app here, Trust, and then we can click on we can close Settings, and then we want to open up our web browser, and then we want to do a search for Troll Installer X GitHub, and then let's do another. And there we go. And then we want to click on Troll Installer X here. And then we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom to the releases section, and then we want to click on the latest release, and we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom to assets, and then we want to click on TrollInstallerX.ipa, then let that download. And we can close our web browser now. And we can open AltStore. and it's going to ask for some permission stuff, allow it all. And then we want to go to My Apps, Plus, and then select your newly downloaded TrollStore X. And then we want to enter in our Apple ID and password here. I'm just going to enter that real quick. And then it's gonna tell us how it works. Got it. And then make sure you have your iDevice connected to the computer while you're installing this app, because it needs to be connected to the AltServer for this to work. Once TrollStore X has been installed, we can quit AltStore, and we want to open TrollStore X, and we want to install TrollStore. And I'm not even sure what a persistence helper is. Just scroll down to the bottom and click No Persistence Helper. And then TrollStore will be successfully installed. So now we can quit TrollStore X and go back to the web browser for the last time this time. And we want to search for Dopamine Jailbreak GitHub. Go. Click on the top result. And then we want to click on the latest version. And then we want to download dopamine.tipa. Let it download, and then we can close our web browser now. And we want to open TrollStore. And then we want to click on plus, install IPA file, and you want to direct it to the Dopamine TIPA file. And then you're going to click install, and it's going to install Dopamine. So we want to open Dopamine here, and we want to click on Jailbreak. And you can select which package manager you want. I want both. Unfortunately, there's no Cydia. That's my favorite one. Boo. If you're listening to this, Dopamine, add Cydia in future, please. And so once you select which package manager you want, I want both. Click continue. And so it's going to jailbreak your device. And now it's gonna reboot after this. So I am going to pause the screen recording here, and I won't be needing the computer past this point. So I'm just going to return when this is finished jailbreaking and rebooting. And I will just have just the iPhone screen display, and I'll just turn off the computers. Yes. I just have to set a password here. Password. Set. And then stop broadcasting both. And I am back, and the device has been jailbroken. You can see here we have our package manager here. I tried to get Zebra to work as well, but I couldn't get it to work, sadly. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I have an Internet Archive account where I upload pre-installed virtual machine files of any operating system. I highly recommend that you go check it out. I will leave a link in the description.
And yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.